Hi, I just did over 130 square feet of this exotic geode recipe, and it is super easy, and you don't have to do anything after you pour it. Just follow these visual steps if you're familiar with epoxy, and you will be able to create this exotic geode pour, I promise. Thanks so much for watching my visual how to exotic. Thanks so much for watching my visual how to for geode exotic. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for. Thank you so much. Come here. I need some emotional support. Come here, baby. Thank you so much for watching this visual how to pour exotic geode countertops or art wherever you would pour this on. Anything, I hope. Epoxy makes the bond.